Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add meta title and description in Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for shopify.com, then sign in your account. Okay? Now what you need to do is to click on online store right here. Under the online store, click on preferences. Here you should see the title and meta description. So the title and meta description help define how your store shows on search engines. Okay? So now just go ahead and type your homepage title as well as your homepage meta description. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, for example, test title. So there's a maximum 70 characters, and on the meta description you have 320 maximum characters. Okay, so just go ahead and put your title right here and your meta description. So this is just an random letters. Okay, so if you're happy about it, just go ahead and click on save. And that is how you add your meta title and description in Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!